Hey guys, Jeff the Nature Guy, and of course, beautiful day. And the cool thing is, guys, today we're out in the field because we know of an active fox den and we wanted to share it with you. Look at right behind me, there's one of the babies. And we know that this den actually has 6 active babies right now. I got bad news, there was a 7th. That 7th did pass away. And that is sometimes relatively common. Usually there's a runt and that runt usually doesn't make it. But get this, fox can actually have upwards of 12 pups at one time. I mean, just amazing. So 6 or 7, that's pretty reasonable and pretty easy for mom to take care of. And speaking of mom is around. I'm surprised she's not barking right now. A lot of times they will actually do a call to call her babies, but she's pretty comfortable with these babies being out and about. And by the way, the mom fox called a vixen, the dads are called dogs or fox, just fox, or sometimes they're even called Tods. A weird name, I get it. But you might notice he's chewing on something right now. Now that's the thing about fox, is they're pretty opportunistic. They are omnivorous, which means they will eat just about anything they come across. And right now, I think he's got himself some trash, and he actually looks like he's eating a package of something. Now typically out in the wild, these guys are gonna eat rodents, birds, things like that. And I'll tell you, we have actually found a lot of goose heads, Canada goose heads, by that den. So they're catching some pretty big things. But again, opportunistic, omnivorous, eating whatever it is they come across. Now here's the other cool thing about fox, is the fact that, well, they don't live very long, only about 2 to 4 years, and their weights can vary anywhere from 6 to 24 pounds. Now a 24-pound red fox, that is huge. You're not gonna see them that big that often, but it has occurred before. But I'll tell you, what a cool, neat, incredibly intelligent animal to see. And so if you're out and about and you're lucky enough to see a fox, well, definitely get some pictures of that, because that's a neat thing to see out in the wild. And one final thing, I know you're all wanting to know, what does the fox say? Well, here's the good news. Fox actually say a lot. They have 40 different barks, calls, yelps, and each one means something different, either for themselves, a warning for their babies, maybe even a call by mom to come in. But 40 different barks or yelps that they use for a communication. How cool is that? And by the way, they also use their tail as a communication as well. They'll flag it to another fox down the field. Pretty neat stuff. Guys, until next time, I am Jeff the Nature Guy, out in the field with our incredible red fox.